Hello, this is going to be a quick video on making a wind deflector for a pop-up type camper, and I'm going to try and do it without editing. So let me close the camper and I'll show you around. Okay, this wind deflector is mounted to the cab. I ended up drilling holes into the cab, which I really didn't want to do, but it works very well. I'd say it cuts the wind noise down about 75%. So you can see I have, I think they're called L tracks. Some 90 pieces, and then I welded 1 inch by 3 inch to make essentially a rack. So I picked this camper up several months ago, and I drove about 10 hours on the interstate, and just hearing the wind noise, that was the first thing I thought about doing as far as a improvement. And initially I mounted that wind fairing to the camper itself. I made these brackets that were flexible. I figured I knew the bed of the truck would articulate and there could be potential damage to the top of the roof mounting it to the camper, so I kind of had these spring-loaded mounts. They worked okay. However, on the bumpy terrain, you'd get noise with flexing and that wind deflector hitting the cab. So the solution of drilling into the cab actually worked very well. These are 12-inch, I think they call them L tracks, and I used riv nuts and a sealant so I wouldn't get any leaks. Works really good. And then these are the brackets that I made up on the rack to attach the wind deflector. One of the tools that was kind of essential to get the shape of that wind deflector was just a pencil compass. Yeah, works really good. I actually highly recommend doing it if you have to do quite a bit of highway driving to your next adventure. If you have a truck with a rack mount, you can buy a rack and put that on there and then attach the wind deflector to the rack. I think that would work very well. But this is a 3rd generation Dodge Ram, and it's kind of hard to find racks for it. So the drilling into the roof, it was a little scary at first, but ended up working pretty darn good. All right, thanks for watching.